ay, ay. Song of freedom loud and high, reach the sky. Me band fi chant truth loud, no bow to crowd. Me voice me only weapon strong. Me chant long, me call out Babylon lie till it die. Freedom song me melody, set we free. Them try silence me sound, still rebound. Me spirit like fire blaze through the haze. No fear me carry no shame. Jah name me chant down wicked pride. Side by side, song of freedom play again. Heal the pain, song of freedom pure and high, never die. Start to sing, voices ring, unity spread through the street. Heartbeat, song of freedom touch the soul, make we all. Me feel the energy grow, overflow. Me see the youth lift them on, take a stand. Me see the elder wipe him eye, no more cry. Freedom, rhythm no stop, top to top. Jah tune the key of peace, sweet release. Me no sing for fame or gold, but story told. Me sing for justice, rise, open eyes. Song of freedom, loud and near. Me persevere. Song of freedom play again. Heal the pain. Song of freedom pure and high, never die. Song of freedom carry on till night gone. Song of freedom strong and true. Bless me and you. So when the silence strike control, sing from soul, freedom tune forever play till judgment day.
Na 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 Zion Raga. Na 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 Zion Raga. But me rise from the hill and greet the sun. Another day of work begun. Me feel the rhythm in the breeze. I whisper to the trees from the dusk to the dawn. Me trod again with heart so pure and mind so plain. Roots of tomorrow grow from today. Righteousness led the way. My father tell me long ago, plant love wherever you go. So me dig the earth, me plant the seed of unity, not of greed. Them try confuse we with vanity, but truth still set we free. Me chant a song for the weary soul. Jah light make we whole. The youth them need a voice of guide. No Babylon light can't divide. Me tell them hold on, keep the faith. Better day come, not too late. Me see them fighting for them bread. Me see the hunger still spread, but me also see them hearts so brave. Jah children rise from grave. Roots of tomorrow grow today. Jah lead we on the way. No matter storm or wind that blow, the righteous seed still grow. Roots of tomorrow stand up strong. We sing redemption song. Every man and woman know truth forever flow. Me see the Babylon lights flash bright, but them can't hide the night. Me know the mission, me know the code. Rasta trot pan Zion road. Me carry the wisdom of my kin. Strength come from deep within. Me hold the fire in my chest. Jah give me rest. Elders beat the Naya bingy drum. Chant till the kingdom come. Children dance, woman sing. Joy like the bird pan wing. Me see the roots spread far and wide. Love are the only guide. No man higher than and Jah plan. We all one understand. Me no worry, me no fear. Jah presence always near. The style me tell, the song me sing. Freedom in everything, no more hate, no more lie. Rasta spirit never die. Me plant the peace and water grace. Hope bloom in every place. Roots of tomorrow grow today. Jah lead, we on the way. No matter storm or wind that blow, the righteous seed still grow. Roots of tomorrow, stand up strong. We sing redemption song. Every man and woman know truth forever flow. Roots of tomorrow, hear me say, rise like the morning rain. No shadow can block the shine. Jah timing always divine. Hold the faith, my people, true light of the path for me and you. Me lay my head on the ground. Hear the heartbeat sound. Roots of tomorrow start today. Rasta show the way.
We sweat gone, me lap ya man. Thunder roll, me still strong. Just spirit keep me moving on. Lightning flash, wine a roar. Still me stand on Zion shore. Me heart no tremble, me no bow. Lion in the storm right now. Me walk through fire, me walk through rain. Still me rise again. No chain strong enough to bind. Truth live in a me mind. Them speak loud, but just speak clear. Fear no evil, I am here. Me hold the torch through darkest night. Rasta keep the light. The struggle real, me know the test. But me bless among the rest. Every trial brings strength anew. Just show me what me must do. Them throw stone, me build bridge. Them black path, me climb ridge. Cause me no run, me no hide. Just soldier on the side. Lion in the storm, stand tall. Never let the wicked make you fall. Hold the line, chant the psalm. Jah give me peace and calm. Lion in the storm, me roar. Love and strength forevermore. Me fight the darkness, me win the day. Jah guide me way. Me brethren fall, but me lift him high. Tell him no worry, dry your eye. Me know Jah never forsake. He builds strength from every ache. Me see the rainbow cross the field. Rasta never yield. No weapon form shall prosper here. Me spirit clear. Inna the mountain breeze, me rest. Me heartbeat in me chest. Me look up to the sky and pray. Jah bless me steps today. No matter the thunder, no matter the rain, me chant through the pain. Cause me know the lion living in me soul. Rasta make me whole. Every storm must end, every wound jamming. Me stand firm, me hold strong. Me destiny long, fire blaze but me heart pure. In a Jah love me sure. Lion roar through the night. Victory in sight. Lion in the storm, stand tall. Never let the wicked make you fall. Hold the line, chant the psalm. Jah give me peace and calm. Lion in the storm, me roar. Love and strength
evermore. Me fight the darkness, me win the day. Jah guide me way. Lion rise, break the chain. Turn the thunder into gain. From struggle come song. From trial come strong. Jah shield me life, me keep the flame. Forever call Jah name. When the storm cloud fade away, still the lion trot today. Strength and honor never gone. Me live, fi carry on. Ooh, ooh, roll a big spliff. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Me sit in silence, moon above. Feel Jah love. Me no need no temple tall. Jah in all. Every breath me take, me find peace of mind. Jah light within me shine divine. Me used to search far and wide, no need hide. Me learn Jah dwell inside me heart, sacred heart. No pastor, no preacher man, only Jah plan. Me look inside and see eternity. Me walk through shadow long, but me stay strong. Jah whisper through me doubt, truth come out. Me see the darkness fade, hope made. Jah light glow pure and still, by will, well light within. Guide me there, show me where. Jah light within, never dim, forever him. Me teach the youth fi see Jah energy. No diamond, no gold compare. Jah care. Me tell the queen she shine, truly divine. Light no come from skin, but deep within. Me hear the city nice, fade slow, stillness grow. Me find peace pan humble floor, want no more. Jah light reflecting I never die. Me live me truth, me chant, elegant. Even in a star me glow, light still show. Darkness can't defeat the flame in Jah name. Me carry peace through pain again. Jah light within, guide me there, show me where. Jah light within, never dim, forever him. Jah light within, pure and bright, endless night. Jah light within, bless me soul, make me whole. Oh, oh, so when the world seem cold and blind, look inside. Jah light within still burn every turn. Ay, 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 Rasta man and see on reggae, yeah, man. Oh, ah, oh, me open me eyes before the sun appear. Hear Jah whisper in me ear. Rise, oh youth, no live in fear. Freedom draw near. Me see the dance spread across the sea. Spirit speak clear to me. Rise up the free, born again. No more chain, no more pain. Me see see the soldier on the road. Me see the burden heavy load. But me heart full of courage still, cause Jah have the will. Them try control me every thought, but truth can't be bought. Them try fi silence Jah name, but me chant the flame. Me see the youth them rise and shout, Babylon wall soon crumble out. No more division, one creation, one heart, one meditation. Me feel the drum beat on me chest, call for the ones who never rest. Them fight for love, them fight for peace, till justice release. Rise up the free, rise and sing. Lift your soul, let the joy bell ring. Every nation, every creed, Jah provide the light we need. Rise up the free, fire ignite. Spread the love, shine the light. One step forward, no retreat. Rasta spirit, never defeat. Me mother cry, but still she pray. Say Jah never stray. Through the struggle, me learn the way. One day Babylon fade away. Me see the rainbow after rain. From every loss, come gain. Me carry the message deep inside. Jah always guide. Me plant the seed and watch it grow. Me see the roots, them start to show. Me brethren gather hand in hand. We build again this sacred land. No more hate, no envy there. Just righteousness in the air. Me walk with truth, me talk with grace. Jah glory in me face. No power of man can stop the time. No wall too tall for love to climb. Me feel the freedom in the breeze. Me soul at peace beneath the trees. Chant down the system, chant it low. Righteous river start to flow. Every tongue and every tribe join the universal vibe. Rise up the free, rise and sing. Lift your soul, let the joy bell ring. Every nation, every creed, Jah provide the light we need. Rise up the free, fire ignite. Spread the love, shine the light. One step forward, no retreat. Rasta spirit, never defeat. Aye, 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 aye. Hearts are free, heart and flame, all Jah holy name. One world, one destiny. Unity, unity set we free. Rise up now, let Babylon fall. Hear the trumpet call. Love is the law, truth the key. Rise up the free. Oh, when the darkness try to stay, Jah light still guide the way. Me chant me song, me soul take flight. Me heart beat strong in the night. Rise up people, rise and see the dawn of the free.
Na na na, na na na. Me stand pan corner, drums them play, roots display. Me see the red, gold, green wave high, spirit fly. Rasta Nation chant for change, no strange. We rise in Jah order true, me and you. From Kingston straight to Accra town, we hold it down. From hills of Ethiopia high, bless Jah sky. Rasta Rasta Nation, strong and free. Jah family, Rasta Nation, roots so deep, faith we keep. Me hear the jammers beating street, heartbeat. Every tone a revolution sound. Turn around. The youth them carry torch of fire, never tire. Rasta Nation build again from pain. Me see the queen wrap her crown, no back down. King and empress hand in hand across the land. We chant for justice true, for me and you. Rasta Nation lead the way, new day. No division, no hate, Rasta create. From Africa to world, flag unfurled. Rasta roots, eternal flame. Praise Jah name. Rasta Nation, strong and free. Jah family, Rasta Nation, strong and free. Jah family, Rasta Nation, roots so deep, faith we keep. Rasta Nation, rise again, heal the pain. Rasta Nation, chant the psalm, keep calm. So when the world lose direction, Rasta connection. One love foundation firm, Jah confirm.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Close your eyes, feel the bass line deep. This reggae rhythm wake you from sleep. Light up the chalice, slow and wise. We travel far beyond the skies. Me nah fly plane, me ride the sound. Me leave me flesh, me soul unbound. Me float on clouds, me reason star. Jah kingdom not far, it's right where you are. Nobody stop this cosmic gate. Me spirit move in timeless state. Meditation guide the route, while drum beat chant out sacred truth. Rasta astral flight, hold tight, we blazing love, we blazing light. High grade in a chalice, firm in sight. We levitate through Jah divine night. No gravity can hold we down. We wear the herb like royal crown. Rasta flight, no end, no start. Jah navigation, lead me heart. Me touch Saturn, reason with moon. Sing praises under cosmic tune. Them can't block this vibration ride. Me soul no hide, me not divide. Me meet me ancestors in a light. Them say keep chanting your future bright. Them hand me drum, me hand them flame. Together we beat Babylon shame. Stars whisper secrets in our ear. Me see so clear when me not fear. Ganja leaf expand me view. Me see me purpose, me path, me crew. So light it up, no be afraid. This herbal wisdom long time made. It not just I, it's ancient code. Unlock your soul, walk your road. Breathe in slow, hold your vibe. Feel your presence, start to scribe. The rhythm guide, me body sway. But me soul a travel far away. Rasta astral flight through space. We chanting strong in Jah embrace. No dark force can dim this glow. We shine like sun, high and low. Take a draw, then let it be. The spirits rise eternally. Rasta flight through sound and flame. No passport need, just Jah name. Me see planet Earth from far above. So much pain, so little love. But in a heights, me find the key. Rasta way, set a mind free. Me chant one love for the human race. Me chant more peace in a every place. Me chant them wake from mental trap. Me chant till Babylon wall collapse. So when you smoke, not just get high. Use the herb, fee, open your eye. Give thanks, reason, listen well. Jah live inside where truth a dwell. Astral flight, we rise above. No hate, just urban roots in love. We no chase fame, we seek light. Reggae meditation in the night. So if you're ready, step inside. Let Rasta rhythm be your guide. Close your eye, inhale Jah flame, and ride the wave. No fear, no shame. Zion echoes, vol 5 complete. The message strong, the rhythm sweet. Next journey soon come. Hold on tight till then. Keep flying through the EA night.
Ganja is the life, yeah, man. Carver sit by morning flame. Chisel sings your holy name. Every stroke a prayer in wood, shaping peace where once war stood. No machine can match the grace. Light reflect upon his face. Every carving smooth and deep. Spirit watch while angels keep. Through the grain the stories run. Carver carved the moon and sun. Every mark a hidden code. Path of wisdom gently showed. Babylon craft with greed and hate. Carver build with love and taste. From the timber truth is born. Light of mercy crowned him on. He carved the lion, strong and wise. He carved the bird that never dies. Every curve a memory, every shape a melody. Child them gather, eyes them gleam. Carver build them, judge a dream. No illusion, no deceit. Light of work makes soul complete. When the sunset paint the hill, Carver carve with patient will. Every piece of world reborn. From the night to shining morn. His hands are rough, his heart is kind. Light of peace dwell in his mind. Every mark a holy vow. Carver live in spirit now. Elder come and bless the tree. Carver bow respectfully. Every branch a legacy of creation's melody. From the wood, the fire, the song. Carver keep the people strong. Every statue, every line, echo Jah design divine. Carve, carve bright and clear. Shape the truth we all hold dear. Shine, shine, and a flame. Write Jah glory, praise his name. Light Carver, child of peace. Build a world where hate shall cease. Never breaking, never gone. Carver sing creation song. Ever shining pure and grand. Craft of love from Jah hand. Every every shape both rough and fine. Light Carver, soul divine.
Zion Ganja, yeah, man. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. In a silence of the field, wings of the ground reveal the shield. Every feather born of clay, lift the soul and clear the way. No machine, no man-made plan can stop the flight of earth to man. Root and air, them intertwine, wings of style, divine design. The dust, wings of ground, he hold in trust. Every seed a dream reborn, fly from dusk to sacred morn. No corruption reach so low, wings of ground in secret grow. From the dirt to endless sky, spirit rise, them never die. Wings of ground make word his own. Every phrase I flutter bright, lifting truth from dark to light. Babylon sing in greed and fear, but wings of ground still reappear. Every motion soft yet grand, carry peace across the land. Farmer soul, his faith so strong, wings of ground still sing the song. Every harvest bring reward, blessed by Jah, eternal Lord. Even storm can't hold them down, wings of ground where nature's crown. Every root and every leaf carry message of belief. Upon the plain, wings of ground release the chain. Every laughter shake the tree, spirit whisper silently. No despair, no fear remain, wings of ground erase the pain. Every breath a holy vow, earth itself is flying now. Fly, fly deep and low, wings of ground make spirit grow. Rise, rise pure and free, carry truth and harmony. Of the ground, bold and wide, lift the heart from deep inside. Never
fading, never still. Wings of Jah, obey His will. Everlasting, firm and true. Wings of love for me and you. From this isle to endless sky. Wings of ground will never die. Oh, die. Oh, die.
Zion echoes. Rasta man is so high. Me see the world upon the people a fight. Me see the innocent a lose them light. The leaders a trick with them full of lie. Them sell with soul and them can't deny. But me say unity are the way fi trod. Jah give we love and me nah go mad. Black, white, yellow or brown. Me no see no color when me look pan town. Me walk on the street and me feel the pain. The ghetto youth cry them a live in vain. The war machine it a take them soul. The world so cold but Jah make we bold. So me chant me psalm and me sing me song. Me know the righteous a go stand up strong. No more war, no more hate. We are open the gate, make love penetrate. One world, one people. One love, one heart. No more division, make we take a fresh start. One world, one people. Stand up and unite. Jah light a shine bright, where the darkness can't fight. Them build up the borders, them build up the walls. Them want we separate, but love never falls. The rich get richer, the poor them ball. But me hear Jah voice, it a make the call. Tell the youth them rise up tall. The wicked can't win, them can't stand at all. Me sight the future, it bright and clean. The vision of Jah, me know say real. No matter where you come from, no matter the race, we all are Jah children, the same embrace. So put down the gun, put down the fight. One world together make we live upright. The system a fail, the walls a break. Jah warriors rise, make the whole earth shake. No more war, no more crime. Love in a me heart, me a make it shine. No more pain, no more hate. The time for unite, me can't hesitate. One world, one people. One love, one heart. No more division, make we take a fresh start. One world, one people. Stand up and unite. Jah light a shine bright, where the darkness can't fight. One world, one family. One destiny. Jah guide we all. That's the legacy.
Na 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 na. Let the session begin, Zion. Me walk barefoot on the early dew. Me carry urban heart so true. Me sip tile from coconut shell. Inna the hills where Jah dwell. The breeze it whisper ancient lore of prophets chanting from before. Under the mango tree me sit. With wisdom leave me mind get lit. lion roar from deep within. Me chant psalms and shed me skin. No gold, no chain, just nature round. Rasta soul to earth is bound. Meditation in a misty moon. A higher life, me no reborn. With every draw, me spirit grow. In ganja fire, me truths overflow. Roots and smoke, fire blaze high. Lift me soul on the mountain sky. Burn the chalice, cleanse the sight. Zion call me to the heights. No need for race. Me find me rhythm, me sacred place. Me plant the seed, me water well. Me life a prayer, me mind no dwell. Me dreadlocks sway in the breeze. Me soul connected to the trees. Me hear the drums, me feel the beat. The earth it move beneath me feet. Smoke rise up in a sacred ring. Me reason with bird and every wing. Rasta way, not just a fad. It's how me live and me give thanks to that. Zion high, me nah go fall. Rasta rise above them all. Peace and ganja, love and light. Me ride the rhythm deep in a night. Jah Light. Zion. Reggae, yeah, man. Shadows glow. Guard the flame we seldom know. Every night he'll light the way, so the lost can find the day. No applause, no fame, no crown. Keep on never turn around. Every step a quiet vow to hold the truth we need somehow. Elder tell of keepers power. Born of mercy, free from wrath. Every candle small yet bright. Keep a guide through endless night. No man see the work he do, but Jah reward him pure and true. Every whisper calm and kind. Keep a heal the troubled mind. Child them marks who light the star. Keep a smile from near not far. Every flame a story told. Keep us on so strong, so bold. Babylon fed, but still he stayed. Keep a guard the righteous way. No corruption, no deceit. Keep our heart forever beat. Poet dream and vision clear. Keep a song he start to hear. Every note a glowing prayer. Keep a spirit everywhere. When the night seem endless long, keep a hum the ancient song. From creation calm and wise, keep a shine where darkness lies. Da 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 dum, da 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 dum, da 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 dum, da 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 dum. Dum dum dum, da 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 dum, da 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 dum, da 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 dum, da 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 dum. Morning come and light every soul he helped to rise. Keep a song still fill the skies. Shine, shine, sacred flame. Keep a call the holy name. Guide, guide everyone till the work of love is done. Keep a song strong and pure. Carry faith that will endure. Never fading, never gone. Keep us light forever strong. Ever shining, calm and wide. Keep a walk by your side. From the dawn to setting sun. Keep us work is never done. Oh, one da da dum, da 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 dum, da 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 dum, da 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 dum, one da da dum, da 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 dum, da 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 dum, wa da dum dum.
Aye, aye, aye. Deep meditate, yeah, man. Standing tall from ancient time, roots deep down in holy line, branches stretch to reach the sun, blessing all, not just one. Leaves a whisper, Jah command, shade and shelter feed the land. Tree of life will never fall, Jah creation bless us all. Tree of life so strong and free, spread Jah love for all to see. Feed the soul, protect the ground, keep the peace where life is found. Birds them sing in early morn, nesting branches safe and warm. Fruits are grow for rich and poor, welcome all through open door. It teach the youth to plant and care, share the blessings everywhere. Tree of Zion stand so true, give the strength we carry through. Through the storm and through the drought, tree of life still stand devout. Babylon axe can't cut it down, it wear Jah roots like holy crown. It guard the path to righteous way, mark the place where children play. Every ring inside the wood tell the story of Jah good. Me sit beneath and meditate, hear the whisper, feel the fate. Tree a talk in ancient tongue, tell the tale from when we're young. It says stand firm, don't lose the fight, grow in love and walk in light. Every seed it dropped today carries Zion far away. When the moon rise high and bright, trees still guard we through the night. From dawn again till evening call, tree of life protect us all. It never fade, it never bend, it stand in strength till very end. From root to leaf, from sea to sky, tree of life will never die. Jah spirit deep inside. From soil to star, from root to crown, tree of Zion hold we down. No fire, no flood can break the will. Tree of just and mighty still. Tree of life so strong and free. Spread Jah love for all to see. Feed the soul, protect the ground. Keep the peace where life is found. From mountain ridge to ocean side. Tree of life forever guide.
Na na na, Cali cushion in the morning, yeah man. Early morning light kiss the hills. Smoke rising slow, just spirit it fills. I wrap me dread in sacred thought. One love, one heart, everything taught. Roots deep in a mother earth. Meditation, bring the soul rebirth. From the chalice me sip wisdom wine. Through herbs and rhythm I realign. This a lion heart journey. Through smoke and sky we see clear. In a mystic vibration, Jah message we draw near. This a roots man meditation. In a firelight we chant strong. From Kingston to Zion Nation, we trod the righteous song. Chanting mantras under the stars. Beats like heartbeat, healing scars. Every drum a ancient prayer. Rasta walk with no despair. We no need no vanity crown. Only ganja, steam and solid ground. Me people rise from Babylon dust. In ital food and sacred trust. Breathing deep, the herb is life. Cut through the tension, slice the strife. No gold chain can buy this peace. Only Jah love make war cease. Irie breeze blow through me soul, guiding me spirit to its goal. No clock, no rush, just sacred flow. Where the chalice lights start to glow. This a lion heart journey. Through smoke and sky we see clear. In a misty vibration, Jah message we draw near. It's a roots man meditation. In a firelight we chant strong. From Kingston to Zion Nation, we trod the righteous song. In the dance hall of creation, every step a revelation. Miss Yankin freedom, praise the King. Rhythm of life, hear it ring. No false prophet, hold me faith. Only truth me cultivate. In the bush, me build me peace. Let Babylon noise decrease. So light up the night, let the fire blaze. Ganja smoke rising, Jah we praise. Every Zion reggae, yeah, man. Sea and lightning meet, ocean fire beneath your feet. Every wave a spark of flame, every drop a sacred name. Fish a see the glow below, ocean whisper, tides them flow. From the depths come voice so clear, truth of Jah draw ever near. Stand up on the sand, ocean fire bless the land. Every breeze a hymn so sweet, heat and water now compete. No illusion, no more chain, ocean fire cleanse the pain. Every tide a holy psalm, ocean bring eternal calm. See the fire burning true, every spark a sign of grace. Ocean hold the sacred place, Babylon ship may rust away. Ocean fire forever stay, every storm become a prayer. Ocean flame still burning there. Light, ocean fire ignite the night. Every verse a shining wave, every thought a soul to save. Even darkness find its glow, ocean fire still below. Ever bright, forever free, burning deep beneath the sea. Upon the shore, ocean fire bless them more. Every heart ignite with love, like the stars in sky above. From creation till the end, ocean fire our faithful friend. Everlasting, pure and grand, ocean blaze across the sand. Burn, burn through the sea, light of hope and unity. Rise, rise, bold and high, ocean flame will never die. Ocean fire, bright and pure, cleanse the world and make it sure. Never fading, never gone, light of Zion carry on. Ever shining, fierce and free, ocean flame eternity. Water, fire, earth and sky, Jah creation sanctified.
Overflow, every stream of voice of peace, where hate and war must cease. Me walk beside the water clear, feel your presence near. Every drop a story told, of truth them can't control. The rhythm of the river beat, guide me step, guide me feet. In harmony me find me place, reflections of Jah grace. Me see me people gather round, sweet Naya Bingy sound, and join tight in one accord. Me give thanks to the Lord, no bother color creed divide. We flow side by side, every nation, every kind, one destiny, one mind. River of unity flow on strong, wash away the Babylon wrong, carry the love through every land. Join together
Me see the youth them learn fi care. Me see the elder share. No vanity, no pride remain. Just peace again. From the river me draw strength. Wisdom come at length. It teach me patience, teach me calm. Jah and me palm. Even when the tide get rough, love alone enough. Me trust the current carry me to Jah eternity. Me see reflection of me face. Me see the human race. All connect one family tree. River of unity. Flow, river flow. Let Jah love overflow. From Kingston town to Addis land. One creation hand in hand. No man greater, no man small. One Jah rule them all. Me chant this song for harmony. Jah love set we free. River of unity, flow on strong. Wash away the Babylon wrong. Carry the love through every land. Join together, hand in hand. River of unity, pure and bright. Shine through darkest night. Every soul and every dream flow in Jah stream. River flow, don't ever end. Heal the heart, uplift the friend. Through the struggle, me still see Jah water cleanse me. Me sit beside the bank and pray. Give thanks another day. River of unity, flow forevermore till peace reach every shore.
Them sell illusion, them twist the tale. Them hide the truth behind the veil. Them talk about justice, but still deceive. The people suffer while them thief and leave. Them print the money, them buy the soul. Them push corruption, them take control. But the time I come, the people wise. The real foundation can't compromise. Me see them talk, but them can't walk. Them set the trap, but me can't get caught. The wicked plan, but Jah design. The righteous rise in a due time. Chant down illusion, burn out the lie. Break down the system, no more comply. Righteous fire, blaze them away. The truth stand tall, no fade away. Chant down illusion, open your eyes. Babylon crumble, can't disguise. The people rise, the chains them gone. Jah light still shining on. Me look around, me see the scheme. Them poison the youths with false dream. Them promise gold, but give with brass. Them sell the future, but we can't lose. The history book, full of deceit. Them rewrite the past, them try to delete. But we ancestors chant it strong. The knowledge live, it can't be gone. Them push religion to keep we down. But Jah within, him wear the crown. No church, no pope, no false decree. The spirit free eternally. Chant down illusion, burn out the lie. Break down the system, no more comply. Righteous fire, blaze them away. The truth stand tall, no fade away. Chant down illusion, open your eyes. Babylon crumble, can't disguise. The people rise, the chains them gone. Jah light still shining on. The wicked fear when we unite. The darkness fade when we hold the light. The system weak, the foundation shake. The truth reveal, the blind awake. The people know, the people feel. The righteous stand, the message real. No more games, no more tricks. We chant it down, no politics. From Africa land to Kingston town, the revolution can't be drowned. The message strong, the heart them pure. The youths them rise, Jah love endure. We chant it loud,
We chant it clear, the time is now, we can't have fear. The table turn, the fire spread, the wicked run, the system dead, no matter what.